Hi, my name is Jovan, and in this video you will see how to create Azure Synapse Analytics workspace. Synapse Analytics workspace is Azure environment that enables you to analyze your data in Azure Cloud. The easiest way to create a Synapse workspace is to go to Synapse workspace documentation page and deploy your workspace using Azure Resource Manager template. You can use Deploy button from this documentation page that will open custom deployment template form. Here you can enter the name of subscription, resource group, enter the workspace name and the username and password that will be used to access default SQL endpoint for querying your data. Once you populate this information, you can review and create your workspace. This deployment template will create two resources. One, Azure Data Lake Storage will be primary storage for your workspace, and Synapse Workspace that will be attached to this storage. Deployment takes a couple of minutes, and once deployment is finished, you can see the workspace information in Azure portal. In the resource group, we can see that storage account and Synapse workspace are created. I will select this Synapse workspace and I will see details in the portal. Here you can see the endpoint and connection information that you can use to connect to SQL or Spark computes. You can launch the Synapse Studio and start analyzing your Azure data. Here we can create new SQL script and write a SQL statement that reads data from some Parquet files. This SQL query will read content of Parquet file placed on Azure Blob Storage using SQL OpenRow set function. Here we can see the content of this file, and we can see all columns that are placed in this Parquet file. We can create more complex reports on your data using T-SQL language. This report will read data from this Parquet file, group information by continent, and return continent and number of cases in continent. Here I can see the results and the number of cases in each continent. We can easily visualize results using built-in charts in Synapse Studio. I can display results as chart, choose chart type, column chart, and choose what is the category. Here we can easily visualize information from our report. You can find more examples that can be used to analyze Azure data on Synapse documentation page. To summarize, Azure Synapse Analytics Workspace is easy-to-use solution that enables you to start analyzing your data in Azure Cloud in a couple of minutes.